this point, Kudus di in a boy, inti nenkomo ne base a ya na mbese oye Ghana ni nko ade a odo anobeto aye nkomunum. Sese ya Kudus no onko Saudi Arabia no. Ana nko so no ntena the mainstream Europe. Na ombo no ball. Se wuti argument amanfo yom so. Kudus is still young. Ana ball no nimbo. Didi entina all prepare no ho so obekọ Saudi Arabia. Akopesika. Ontena Europe omo no ball. Sika ne beba. Ebimu feel say, look, Kudus ndo obaya an waye no. Onko Saudi Arabia ni bi onko jisika budu na omra medi. Wa wutie show yi onso gina he. Kudus onko so an ontena Europe. Ana onko Saudi Arabia. Enko jisika ni bi na onfamre fi ene abusuafo no. Emra medi eno ne nkoma. Me say di around Kudus Mohammed. And so enkomo no. Aya, good morning. Now what you saying?
Oh, nyame adom. Me ho ye.
Okay.
Na say before me di Kudus nkomo no.
Nhyira
me de fa
Partey no problem.
Look. Enwe wi me wo ho na me hu say David Austin. Abetro say ye adwuma say Partey will agree contract extension with Arsenal. News na nkasa mu no enyem nwa. The reason why news na enyem nwa ne say obi a watie nhya FM bia o tight years was na Rich okay sa Kudus incident bia wa ma blasters no wa me ba ma ye no me kai time sa time no analysis bia me ye me can say I am well informed say Arsenal ama Kudus
Partey
enyo me bia ontimi offer omo na otimi offer omo a likely say they will consider no extending the contract at the amano emu baako say this season he can at least stay fit for the crucial end of the season because omuntimi ntu sika ngu Partey mu na during crucial times within the season no na Partey nya available adia we pra until they told Partey to manage himself very very well so a person on merit contract extension ewo Arsenal. Rich, I am not saying this in a negative way, but Partey knew about that and washenus no husu ye and amen ne conversation e ekọ de ekọ no and already husu ye and some of the sacrifices he had to make was that decision not to come for those Black Stars games, you know. Number 2. Say Andre Batanaba, he is coming from Atletico Madrid, owning Partey. And Partey was a very, very good relationship with the sporting director of Arsenal right now. In this corner say even other players were obetini Spanish. So when they can Spanish and come on old in a baby or makano. If Partey is convinced he want to stay at Arsenal, now say on a sporting director on a year Juma da ewo Atletico Madrid and discuss here, it will not be difficult at all. Any difficult bakukra and Emir Refi. Andre better Juma koyo Atletico Madrid no. And they ama ne Spanish language no elboa Partey no. Rich, Mikel Arteta nankasa so Spanish oh. And the Partey in terms of the communication with the coach and the technical director.
No problem.
It's too easy. He can change it from English and speak Spanish with them if you want to touch their hearts. Rich, say me too quiet. Na say me pemwo bi anase obi pemwo afiri mo a. Na say enipa mienu na gina ho Rich. Let's say I am in the UK. Me gina kwan ho. Na enkofo mienu aba na omo pese omo sere me moa. Ba ko ba ye o kabrofo. Rich, Bakunu be no was Saturday make cars and TP. Who do you think will touch me more?
Me, I
don't know. And Yemi one say Thomas Partey is getting agreement with Arsenal if he wants to stay to extend the contract. Matisse and go focus say say a year 2 years or say 1+1 Partey currently say obetimi abo ama Arsenal Europe at the top level almost 2 years in count and some of consider say Abia or call the Arab world. Now Rich, you see Sikana Partey or Arsenal a very good money, not even in a Ghanaian contest. In terms of normal European contest, I will say Obi Bobo Waboche, whether or you're Brazilian or you're European or you're Bibiano, Partey or Arsenal is very, very good. But Rich, at 31,
I was a prepare.
Football, no. Rich, ne down turns and ne up turns, no. Eba and crowd. Meaning, Partey probably will want to win something big with Arsenal and come back. If Arsenal can win the Champions League this season, Rich, players will say Partey will say, look, there wasn't better. I want to leave while the applause are high. So, the Champions League, I'm Arsenal, which was club need dream there. Then, I'm going to compete. Rich, me dear, me too many Partey for. In terms of European football, do obey be aware. Unless there's no offer from Saudi.
Okay.
But the offer what they are.
I'm considering.
I'm telling you, 31 years African.
Football age.
31 years African. Rich, look, Manu Susumnaso. Next season, whether a pra, whether a loss of form, these top clubs in Europe, Rich, they are so obsessed about results, say they can move on from you quick. Ubekai last 2 seasons, last season, during the crucial times at Arsenal, MSA out on the league with Man City. Some Arsenal fans and even Arsenal penny for were thinking Thomas Partey. They say he's the cause of it.
Next time I'm being here, no.
Yes.
Big games have been here, Partey.
Yes.
As a Partey.
And I remember game B, I think it was against Aston Villa or so. Okoye mistake B. I'm gonna say Partey now lose the league. That is how these clubs are. They can quickly turn from a romantic story to a villain. They are chasing you out of the club. Baby, a free rich. Now, to link it to the Kudus thing. Show phone or somebody, and me say, Jeff, de beto. Jeff, let's start from Cristiano Ronaldo. Rich, look at how much Ronaldo is earning in Saudi Arabia. Every year, Rich, or 200 million euros a year. So, every month, Ronaldo is close to 17 million euros. Every week, Rich, Ronaldo edge 3,846,000 every week. Every day, say that's 24 hours. Ronaldo earns around 549,000 euros. Rich, yet to show you see. I was saying, about 11.
Your producer Andy. Adi about Ghana City name.
Andy.
I
calculate how many of the
boys. Yeah, no me phone is a videos I did.
Calculate how many of the
Hey, Andy. Rich, and then maybe and if I didn't know, I'm then on baby as we. Jessica winning now.
Yes. Look at it per minute. Hey. Every 60 seconds, Biano. Look at what Cristiano Ronaldo is earning.
3.491 billion Ghana cedis. 3.491 billion Ghana cedis.
And we
oh, are you 200 billion? No? Ronaldo Tika. Ronaldo.
Now, Rich, that is how much the Saudi Arabians know it. Now, me show so because Ayala say Cristiano Ronaldo the cost
as an love one.
Ronaldo. Okay, Rich. Let's come down to Partey Kudus more level. John Duran.
Okay. On the Aston Villa na koi.
And he's a South American. Oba Europe no so that mama club kese bia. Onye bibi hu bia Europe no aka say John Duran ti also command. Now, Rich. Every week Duran ye tiana ewo na sa baby a omupe Kudus na o. Omutia Don Duran 320,000
a week.
Every week. Rich, it means every day Don Duran enya 46,000 pounds.
Every day.
1 hour bia onya 1,900 pounds every hour. Don Duran. Now, Rich, you see, and confirm we are too obsessed about Kudus there already 24 years. Bo wonimu Saudi Arabia or bo no
man ka.
Be there. So remember any argument in say there is a lot of football Kudus one. Of course Saudi Arabia born no akobo.
Born akobo there ba ba.
Rich, obey in what sense?
I'm going to try Obi to say Karim Benzema. Benzema and Real Madrid, over for baby, no. People are discussing him. The moment of free Real Madrid, I call the Saudi Pro League, you know. Now you don't even hear people talking about Karim Benzema again.
Now, Rich, Karim Benzema, you think he didn't know? Say, free Real Madrid, I call Saudi. In terms of platforms, any day so better. But why did he go? Nancy, me sure itifak. Saudi Arabian League, no, omubo game bi. I feel me who say, Oma possible be my young man. Mems akwe de ne chikwa eso bi aminim no. Minko sha Demara Gray. Rich, debi ameka say me, I watch foot say mo fie nkwana me naya. It is football that I watch. Rich, you watch the Saudi Arabian League. Do you know the players or more? Me see player bia unim no. What's in the na who follow in kakra unhu Europe bia bia no. Rich or Saudi Arabia. Marcelo Brozovic bobo. Do you know the players that are there?
Saudi money now.
Me see Nancy Spain MG Euros no. Na Abante friend Laporte no onyina Spain echi ho. Omboma anasa. Nancy ye CAF Africa 11. Yes, sign tap sober more Omedi Leverkusen Akko unbeaten. Our Bundesliga nim. We brought in players, Mrs. Say Koulibaly. Na Koulibaly Osia Kanwe, not in Saudi Arabia. Rich, me dear. Me footwo ye ba kope. Look, Edi na wokano. Rich, Kudus. From Northern to Ayas to West Ham. Edi Ojidi me. Europe.
We grassy a referee N'Golo Kante. N'Golo Kante bought Saudi Arabia.
Yes.
League, you know.
Yes.
Who bought Bobo Mafra.
Yes, he was there with the heroes. And you see, quite situation. Look at it. Rich, it's simple to take a decision to go to Saudi Arabia. If players are playing in the Saudi Arabian League, Rich, now you throw more into the Spanish national team, French national team. Rich, Blasters. Say Obibe kase misuro say me ko Saudi Arabia because say me ko Saudi Arabia ye mfam or Blasters. You will be called.
And so the Kudus crowd.
Abba. Rich. Enoma ema wo di si woni so be so ye professional footballer o career no. Sa nyoma ni nyina, you will be getting it. You will play for your national team. You will play football and you will earn good money. Yeah? The trajectory of football last season, Kudus performance or the man here. Rich name said this season, Obeko a notch higher Not big clubs aba meboa.
But this is
West Ham. And what are the guarantees say? Minimum you ever say who could do so Real Madrid Barcelona. But Rich, do we see that in sight? There are no guarantees in football. There are no guarantees in football. And the Liga Cristiano Ronaldo Mubobino. What was say below you?
Junkobo.
Debbie, Miss Remo. Mommy, yes, argument in here.
On one far from fresh Saudi Arabia for
Barrage.
Can't just amass at never ready. I'm from Remnant.
If it is true, say they want to pay 100 million to West Ham. Then send over the Mama.
West Ham for magic 100 million.
Let me say, yeah, West Ham 100 million. Answer Rebecca, oh, maybe too rich. Member in share for compensation of 100 million. Then it means that you are so valuable until no much and to war personal negotiations. No, say now over John Duran. West Omoto na free West Ham. Omuchi 100 million. It wasn't
from Aston Villa.
Yes, it wasn't up to 100 million. Yeah. But look at how much they are paying him. It means say wono ya the 100 million empire betowa. Then you can negotiate more than this. Rich, would you fuck a because John Duran zikado. Na ever two teams say sana Kudus edgy. You ever say every week bia Udia Kudus is taking 350,000.
Infamous fee.
Hey,
na Kudus idiot.
Say some bushia wate. Ni maya na ofi say bushia. Rich want Antonio na. Osi omo hwe film na say am hwe video bi Carlos Tevez documentary bi. Na konfosi o oya show player. No, he didn't give any reverence to Tim Awaboda because he was able to cross carpet from Manchester United to Manchester City. What does what Carlos Tevez guy? I say what about me fear Argentina da? And Kaobe whom a fear me free mua. And from baby free no, and your nuclear family, extended family. Obiasu yo yeni. Now me bebo Europe no. Now me tibi me say me back say in my extended family. Obia ne hu hia bia eye na dwuma papa o ni sika o dey setting up through him. Now they are okay. Look, yeah, part of the world rich. Yen kosi akobo no ya kope DB akoji Ballon d'Or no wa yo.
Emmanuel do makrado say Messi grade nya na.
Asema na okay.
Oni Messi grade nya ida.
Messi ji work up oko America o say ude yeden. Edini ni sika no.
All right, yen from referee na imidi fie common, but I'm say Ayala your next life be an e be wiase a yen consider football because players ni sika na o mo je no.